Welcome to this VHF UHF channel. And of course, one of the things that I have been thinking about on this channel is to try to have a little more content, as I feel that it's a channel that is underused. I mean, I could do more, and I know some of you enjoy that I do VHF UHF scanner radio stuff on this channel. So, starting today, today is January the 29th, we will have daily tips for the listener of the world of 30 megahertz and above. It can consist of a tip on how to use your radios, a tip on maybe some DX or something special that I want to talk about. It could be related to simply online content that could be of interest to the VHF or 30 megahertz and above radio listener, but they will hopefully be interesting for you and hopefully maybe help you enjoy the hobby more, enjoy your hobby of listening to your scanner radio or your 30 megahertz and above or VHF, UHF, SHF, whatever you like to listen to. We'll try to have interesting and helpful tips to have you enjoy your hobby a little more. So it starts today. Later today, I'm going to be posting this. They should be there almost daily, but there will be sometimes that I won't. For example, don't expect many tips on Sundays because I'm often not at home at all. Sometimes the tips will not happen if I have a live show here, but we'll do our best to have the tips as often as possible, and I will try hard to have tips every day. Hopefully, also helping this channel get a little more momentum, a little more users and views, and I think it's going to be an interesting idea. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.